Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on Zoom. But before that, Zoom noise cancellation is this function automatically detects and blocks background noise such as keyboard typing. This function is switched on by default, so you don't have to do anything in the settings. To disable the Zoom noise cancellation feature, you need to enable the preservation of original sound. It's not as difficult as it sounds. Preserving the original sound means that other call participants will hear the original audio from your microphone without the audio enhancing effect and noise cancelling feature of the app. This option is great when you have a high-quality microphone, or maybe you just want the other call participants to hear clear audio like in the case with the music classes. So, if you'd like to turn off Zoom noise cancellation, you'll need to enable preserving original sounds. Go to your profile picture, select Settings, and tap on Audio. Turn on the Use Original Audio toggle. But Zoom's noise-reducing capabilities don't completely remove background noises. Sometimes, there's so much persistent background noise that the built-in noise cancellation may not be enough. Or maybe you often switch between communication apps, making work calls with Zoom, personal calls via Google Meet, and sending quick video messages through Loom. In such cases, Crisp can help you cancel out background noise and have a productive noiseless experience. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.